Guys, if you take the quiz, you just finish it and I get the grades automatically. You don't have to do anything else with it.
I would need to sign into my account. Once I'm signed in, people know what my account is. And if you want to change that title, you can do that. And you can put in a description, channel, whatever. Track it. Cursor highlight cursor. Captions. One, try adding captions. A lot of really good options you have here to explore. When you're done, hit publish. And it's going to start publishing.
Oh.
Yo, Dylan, what are you gonna record?
YouTube.
Me too. Bro,
Yeah, me playing a game.
I'm just recording some random guy's video.
How long do you have to record?
3 minutes.
But it's also great for teaching.
Oh.
Screen?